Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a super efficient method for designing stunning LinkedIn carousels right inside Figma. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to quickly create a customized, professional carousel that you can use to boost your LinkedIn posts and make your content stand out. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of designing a carousel from scratch, don't worry. This process will save you a ton of time and still let you add your own creative spin. So let's dive right in. The first thing we're going to do is take advantage of the wealth of templates and tools available out there. Figma has a huge community and resource library, so instead of starting from a blank page, we'll use a ready-made template as our foundation. This doesn't just speed things up, it also ensures that your design follows the dimensions and best practices that work specifically for LinkedIn carousels. Here, what you'll do. Head over to the Figma community or your favorite Figma template resource and use the search bar to look up LinkedIn carousel. Think of this search like asking an expert for a head start. You'll instantly see a variety of professionally designed options tailored for exactly this use. Take your time to scroll through and choose a carousel template that fits your style or the mood you want for your post. Maybe you want something bold and modern, or maybe something more subtle and informative. There's usually something for everyone. Once you've found a template you like, go ahead and click Open in Figma. If you haven't used templates before, don't worry, it's as simple as clicking a button and letting it load. Now this template is yours to play with. You can immediately see how the carousel is structured, from how the slides flow together to little design touches like icons, typography, and colors. Now comes the fun part, making it your own. This is where you can truly personalize your carousel for your brand, your post, or your story. Swap out the images for your own, update the colors to match your brand palette, and of course, edit the text so it communicates your message. Maybe you want to move elements around, add your logo, or tweak the layout. Figma makes it super easy to drag and drop duplicate slides and experiment until it feels just right. If you're worried about not making it unique enough, remember, even small personalization touches can make a big impression. Once you're happy with your customized carousel, all you need to do is copy and paste the slides into your own Figma project or export them as images, ready for uploading to LinkedIn. Take a moment to preview your slides together and ensure they flow naturally. Think of it like flipping through a storybook. You want the sequence to be easy to follow and visually engaging. And there you have it. You now know how to create a LinkedIn carousel in Figma without starting from scratch, saving loads of time, while still ending up with something uniquely your own. If you got value from this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your finished carousels, drop a comment below. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful design tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.